Thanks for tuning into the Blade Ops YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Catch all our latest videos. Today we're taking a look at the Bestech Knives Swift. This little flipper has a blade length of 3.5 inches and is sporting that D2 steel and has that really nice satin finish, as you can see. Has a nice flat grind as well. And this knife runs on bearings, so it's ultra smooth. Has a close length of 4.8 inches and is sporting these beautiful Micarta scales. You did a good job on these, and the fit and finish and matching is perfect. Full steel liner as well. Lockup is great. Has a deep carry pocket clip with some fantastic retention. Again, the action is so smooth for Bestech knives. Like the little black back spacer as well. Flipper tab is nice and big, easy to fire. This is the Bestech Knives Swift, and you can pick up yours today at Blade Ops.